Are you ready to take a test based upon a chapter whose name is mentioned in the title of this video? If yes, then we can continue. How to go about this test? First of all, questions from this question paper will appear on your screen one by one. Read question number 1, pause the video and write the answer for that question. You can write your answer only in a form of keywords. No need to write the entire answer. Once you are done with your first answer, you can restart your video. Then next question will pop up on your screen. You have to pause your video again after question number 1 and then you have to start writing your answer 2. And this cycle you have to complete for all the questions. Once you have completed all your answers and your entire paper is over, I'll be back to discuss the answer and marking scheme with you all. Now you have to become your own teacher and evaluate yourself. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. I am Praveen Sonavne. You are watching India's most reliable and relevant educational channel where you get best in class study material and video lectures. Do check the links in the description box. Now we will see how much marks do you get, right? Okay. So here give appropriate biological or technical term for the following. Cellular components of a blood containing hemoglobin. What is that? So here correct option is RBCs, red blood cells, or even you can write erythrocytes. Okay, you can even write erythrocytes. The vein that carries oxygenated blood, pulmonary vein. Third question, the protective covering of the heart, pericardium, covering of the heart, right? Next question is, again an appropriate term, the wall present between the chambers of the right side of the human heart. Right side means wall between right atrium and right ventricle. That is the tricuspid wall. Just don't write only tricuspid, write tricuspid wall. Give a technical term. The blood vessel which supplies blood to the liver. It is hepatic portal. Okay, see here, if it is carrying oxygenated blood, then hepatic portal artery. And if it is carrying deoxygenated blood, then hepatic portal vein. If you have written hepatic portal artery, you will get full marks. Even if you have written hepatic portal vein, you will get 1 mark for this, okay? But if you have written just portal artery or portal vein, then your answer is wrong. क्योंकि लीवर वर्ड मेंशन किया है. ओके, लीवर वर्ड से जो वर्ड कनेक्टेड वर्ड इज हिपैटिक. लंग से रिलेटेड वर्ड है पल्मोनरी. हार्ट से रिलेटेड वर्ड है कोरोनरी. किडनी से रिलेटेड वर्ड है रीनल. ओके, सो हिपैटिक वर्ड इज इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, that is fill in the blank. Dash carry deoxygenated blood from the different organs to the heart. Deoxygenated, correct answer is veins. Now question number 7. Oxygen combine with hemoglobin present in RBCs and forms oxyhemoglobin. So correct answer is oxyhemoglobin. Give reason. Try to write your answer in exact word in one sentence. Now erythrocytes means RBCs. RBCs are biconcave discs and lack nucleus. So this makes them more efficient. So function of this RBCs is to carry oxygen from the lungs and supply it to the various organs. And because they are biconcave in shape, this kind of shape. एल्पेनलीबे चॉकलेट जो होता है उसके जैसा. एंड दे लैक न्यूक्लियस, दे डू नॉट हैव न्यूक्लियस, सो मोर ऑक्सीजन कैन बी एक्यूमुलेटेड इन आरबीसीज. सो दिस मेक्स देम मोर एफिशिएंट टू कैरी ऑक्सीजन. The wall of the ventricle is thicker than the wall of the auricles. So ventricles any doubt, any difficulty? 10th one is also a give reason. Why is it necessary to separate the left and the right side of the heart in the mammals? Right side carry deoxygenated blood and left side oxygenated blood. So to prevent mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, it is necessary to separate the left side and the right side of the heart in the mammal. So 11 or 12 question number was same. Okay, question was same, only their point of difference was different. Okay, here you have to difference between erythrocytes, which is also called RBCs, and leukocytes, which are also called WBCs. Right, their function, RBCs carry oxygen to various organs of the body. Okay, as this is simple and sweet. इसके अलावा additional information लिखा होगा well and good. This most of you have written right, but यहाँ पर गड़बड़ कर दिया. WBC, what is their function? To produce what? Antibodies. Okay, to fight what? Infections या external against the microbes, foreign microbes. Okay, against infection. का मेन फंक्शन इज टू कैरी ऑक्सीजन. ओके, वेयर टू कैरी ऑक्सीजन? टू डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द बॉडी. और याद रखो, ओके, नाउ सेम क्वेश्चन, सेम और सिमिलर क्वेश्चन विल कम इन योर स्कूल एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो, योर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट कि you write answer to the point, because sometimes teachers are very strict. If they say कि main function, तो main function is to produce antibodies. So write your answer accordingly. So this kind of test or solving a question in a form of a test will be very helpful for you. Next question, write down the difference between following pairs. Okay, again this is RBCs and WBC. Now your point is their origin. यहाँ पर एक point, again 1 point most of you have written correct. RBC originated where? Most of you have written this correct. It is in red bone marrow. Bone marrow भी चलेगा. And white blood cells in spleen, lymph nodes, and etc. Write down the difference between the arteries and vein. Arteries carry oxygenated blood, correct? And veins carry deoxygenated blood. Select the correct option. The chief function of lymph nodes in the mammal is to destroy pathogens. State the exact location. Tricuspid wall between. Okay, it is located between. So tricuspid wall is located between right atrium and right ventricle. So easy, right? Now next one is 16th one. ये correct words में लिखना है. Maybe you know the answer, but if you don't write in correct words, you may lose marks. Pulmonary semilunar wall is located between right ventricle and pulmonary artery. Okay, what is pulmonary artery? Only artery that carries the deoxygenated blood. I think ये भी question कहीं पूछा है आगे. Question number 17. State the main function. Coronary artery. Coronary means what? As I said, ये heart से related है. Heart का artery. Okay. Coronary artery. Blood to the heart भी चलेगा. Okay. Oxygenated blood लिखा तो well and good. Even if you have written supplies blood to the heart, I'll give you 1 mark. Now question number 18. Choose the odd one out. Pulmonary vein. देखो ना, सुनो ना, ये हार्ट को बिलोंग करता है, ये हार्ट का एक पार्ट है. ऐसे नोड, sinoatrial node is also a part of a heart. Aorta is also a part of a heart. So this is not inside the heart, this is outside the heart, right? Odd one is pulmonary vein. Others are part of the heart. Others are parts of the heart. वो हार्ट के अंदर होता है, whereas pulmonary vein वो हार्ट से निकलकर लंग्स के पास जाता है. Are you convinced with this answer? अच्छा बताओ. Some of you have wrote sinoatrial node. Why?
Sir, I have written that it is sinoatrial node because it is an electrical impulse and others are involved in circulation of blood.
हाँ, ये भी correct है. So 2 answers. Yes, I'll accept this answer also. Others creates electrical impulse. Mitral wall, aorta, pulmonary vein, okay, these are involved with blood circulation, whereas sinoatrial node is not involved with the blood circulation, does not take part in a blood circulation directly. It only creates the electrical impulse. So here we have 2 answers for different reasons. Okay, next question is again fill in the blank. The blood vessel that begins and ends in capillary is the dash. Let me write the answer because this answer will be controversial. Okay, most of you are always confused with this answer. Begins and ends with capillaries, portal vein. If you write hepatic portal vein, it is wrong. If you write hepatic portal vein, it is wrong because hepatic word is associated. Hepatic means liver. तो यार liver को कहीं भी mention नहीं किया. Capillary to capillary is portal vein. So correct answer is portal vein. Okay, now your comments. So here comes the last question. Okay, now you have to just choose. We will discuss reason also, but we have to just make our choice here. Blood in the pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. Now we know that in pulmonary artery there is deoxygenated blood, and in pulmonary vein, okay, which kind of blood? Oxygenated blood. और यहाँ क्या पूछा है? Which one contain less oxyhemoglobin? Less oxyhemoglobin means deoxygenated blood. Okay, so your answer has to be pulmonary artery. This is the correct answer, right? Now since you know what are the correct answers, just count the number of correct answers and you can type your answer in the chat box or the comment box.